Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to video on Canva. So for this, first of all, open the Canva and then you are going to select videos. After you have select videos, you will be redirected to a blank canvas. You will now be able to create your video. So let's say for example, I would like to create a video with an aeroplane. So I could go over the left hand menu option in elements, and from here I'm going to type in here aeroplane. After that, I can simply select videos right here. After selecting videos, let's say for example, I would like to use this video just for example. Then I'm going to tap on the three dots right here that says more, and I'm going to set the video as background. Now to get access to the sound effects on Canva, all you need to do is you would tap on this elements once more in the top left corner. Then from there, let's say we would like to add an aeroplane sound effect, or overall if you like to see the sound effects library, all you need to do is type in SFX, then tap on enter. Then from there you are going to see the top menu options and you are going to scroll across and select audio. After you have selected audio, you will see all of the sound effects that are currently available on Canva. But as you can see, majority of them as a crown besides them, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular sound effect. What I recommend you do is open a new tab and you are going to go on to pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is a platform that you will find numerous royalty free sound effects that you can use. So you will simply go on to Pixabay. For example, I type in here aeroplane flying. Then from there all I had to do is simply tap on play, and when you think it's okay for you, just simply tap on this download button. So it's a free, so you don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike or anything like that with these sound effects. Then you could go back into your Canva design, then tap on uploads from the left hand menu option, then tap on upload files. After you have selected upload files, you will simply search for the sound effect that you have downloaded. Now after it has been added, you can simply select it to add it to your video. So just tap on it and you can now see that the sound effect has been added. If I were to tap on play, you can easily hear it. Now let's say an audio was already on the video. All you need to do is select the video. So once you have selected the video, you are going to tap on the volume icon from the top right hand corner. Then we are going to tap on mute. So you are going to mute the audio in. You can simply split the video and you can select where you would like to add the sound effect. Then you could tap on play and you are good to go. So these are both ways you can use sound effects from Canva as well, or you can download it from Pixabay and then upload it in Canva. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.